Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay halos katapusan na po ng buwan, May 30, Tuesday. At mabuhay po kayo. Welcome po sa the stock market today. Special news po natin, ang surplus ng national government. Ako po si Benji Chidoro, isang retired bank officer na nag-start mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Araw-araw ko pong binabalita ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stock sa Philippine market. Kung gusto niyo po ng content, niimbitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gusto ipa-review, i-comment nyo lang po sa comment box at aking pa-prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Ang mga sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. Get well soon, Mari. We're praying for your recovery. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ang ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading. Ngayong araw na ito, April 30, 2023, dito lamang po sa the stock market today. Okay, puntahan na po natin ang ating mga headlines at ito po ay galing ng BDO. Macroeconomic news. Dito muna tayo sa sector and company news. ICT to build new berth at Manila Terminal. ACC's completion of 1 billion asset sale this year. Dito po sa ating corporate news, DM Consunji order book expands to 42 billion. And Prime Media, ABS-CBN venture not info free TV. Pero tunghayan po natin ang ating main news. Nasa top story po siya ng Business World. National government budget surplus balloons in April. So may surplus pala tayo. The national government budget surplus ballooned to 66.8 billion in April from 4.9 billion a year ago as revenue growth outpaced expenditures, data from the Bureau of Treasury showed. This was the first time the government posted a budget surplus, 45.75 billion, since January. Month on month, the fiscal balance reversed from the 210.261 billion deficit in March. In April, revenue collections jumped 26.66% to 440.7 billion from 347.9 billion a year earlier. Tax revenue surged by 31.43% to 403.6 billion. The BIR collection surged by 40% to 336 billion as the agency allowed taxpayers to file their value-added tax returns on a quarterly basis instead of a monthly basis. The deadline for filing of VAT returns for the first quarter fell on April 25. The Bureau of Customs collected 67.6 billion. Okay, so yan po ang ating main news. Tingnan po natin yung summary dito. Meanwhile, the BSP said headline inflation in May will be significantly lower than the 6.6% in April, putting it on track to return to the 2 to 4% target range by September or October. BSP Governor Medalla said year-on-year will clearly be significantly lower because of the high base last year. So unless there are new shocks or developments by October or September, inflation will be below 4%. So yan po ang ating main news. Basahin po natin. Meron po akong nakitang comment dito. Si Cyborg-Zify, Kuya, pa-review naman po ng Ion. Thanks. Okay po, bibigyan po natin si Ion. Meanwhile, let's check the PSE index. at 10:09 in the morning today, it's down 43.33 points. The most active stock is plus 1.96%. Tinitingnan ko kanina si plus. At mamaya i-share ko po sa inyo yung management po niya. No? AC is next. AREIT is up also, followed by Wilcon and FCG. Ito po nakita ko kay plus. Yan. Nakita niyo na siguro yan. Ito po ay isang casinos and gaming company, no? At ang sector po niya ay services. So it started out as Leisure and Resorts World Corporation, and part of its restructuring in 1996, inamend po yung primary purpose ng kumpanya at naging leisure business. Yan. So, nasa gaming po siya, interactive. I think this is online gaming. So, meron po siyang other subsidiaries include Blue Chip Gaming, Leisure Corporation, First Cagayan Leisure and Resort, LR Data. So, gaming pala siya. So, yan po ang pinaka-active na stock ngayon. Si Plus, silipin po natin siya. So, it's up actually. Yan, no? Laki ng up niya, no? So, bakit kaya? Maganda ba ang kita niya? Uy, 295% yung first quarter earnings, plus 176% yung 2022 earnings, no? So, malaki. So, mamaya, kung time will permit, tingnan po natin si Plus. So, we'll be back later as the market closes, so don't go away. Ay, sorry. Balik natin dito. Yan pala si Plus. Sorry po. So, we'll be back later as the market closes. Don't go away. Okay. Yung ating index for today ay bumaba ng 82.49 points or 1.25% down. So, in essence, still moving sideways pa rin po ito. But I don't really understand kung bakit down siya ngayon, ano? When there is good news in the US at saka umaakyat po yung US stocks. Anyway, market activity, 127 ang bumaba, 43 ang hindi nagbago, 42 ang umabante. Lahat po ng sectoral indices ay down, led by mining at 2.02%. The most active stock is Ayala Corporation, pero yung top 5 po ay down. FCG is up 1.47. Yung number 6 most active stock. So tingnan po natin ang yung request. Ion, DNL, FCG. Tingnan po natin si Fruit. Positive po siya. At ganun din naman si LTG. Okay, si Ion muna, si Ionics. I was taking a look at Ionics kasi it's among the industrial sector, no? And this is an electronic company, manufacturing services. Yan. One-stop shop electronics manufacturing services provider. In particular, the group is a contract electronics manufacturer. Tingnan natin, I think I have it here. Yan. So yan po yung data niya sa Philippine Stock Exchange. And the primary focus is on telecommunication, automotive, computer, consumer, industrial, plastic, and medical products. So balik po tayo doon sa ating yan. So yung structure po nung kanyang candlesticks ay bullish pa rin, but there is a red engulfing candlestick here. Actually, this is a breakdown, ano? Red engulfing ulit, but dahil may volume po, breakdown po ang tawag dyan. And hopefully itong red ay ma-sustain siya, but with this breakdown, I don't think na, well, pwedeng mag-consolidate. Pero in the coming days, pababa pa rin po siya. Kasi po, nagkaroon po siya ng overbought levels here sa ating RSI. And as we know, the overbought levels would bring down the stock in the coming days. Yan po ang Ionics. Meanwhile, pinaka-support ng aking nakikita na dating resistance nandito po sa 79 centavos. Yan po ang aking assessment dito po sa ION. Next is DNL. Si DNL naman, meron pong comment dito, si Erwin Flores, mag-bounce pa kaya siya? So, sunod-sunod po yung bagsak niya, no? Dahil, tingnan natin, may earnings report po siya dito. Actually, yung year-end 2022 earnings is up 25%, but the first quarter earnings is down 23%. So, kaya po siya bumababa, plus the prevailing market sentiment. Yan, there is a possible bounce here, si Winbar, no? Winbar 966 dahil oversold na po ang stock. Yan. Yung RSI po nasa 2363, and as you know, an oversold stock would result to a rise in the stock price in the coming days. Support is here at 678. Maganda pong kumpanya itong DNL, and I know that this will bounce back. May pag-asa ka pa, Winbar. Yan. Next, we have FCG. Si FCG ay, naku, bearish po si FCG, although there seem to be a higher red candlestick here. Yan po ang assessment ko kay FCG. It's bearish. Oversold din po siya. This level. Oversold level 2708 to May 29. Kahapon. Yan. So there is a possibility that the price of the stock may reverse. In the meantime, nasa support area na po siya. Dito po siya sa medyo mababa pa yung support. Nandito po sa 63.43 ang pinaka-support po niya. Pero malapit na po siya sa support level. Tapos naman si Fruit. Fruit is, meron bounce si Fruit, ha? Meron po siyang bounce. Green engulfing candlestick, although this is not a breakout. And the recovery is 2.4% to 128. Yesterday, it closed at 125, and based on our indicators, trending upwards po siya, and I see the support here at 113. Yan po. Ngayon po, ang pinaka-resistance nandito po sa 134. Yung pinaka-resistance po niya. Support and resistance, di po yan exact points, areas po siya. Si LTG naman, meron siyang gap down dito, and there is a breakdown here, but there seems to be a recovery, ha? Dalawang green candlestick dito, and the first quarter earnings is may cash dividends pala siya, but the earnings respectable, 9.08 increase over the same period last year, and 47% naman yung 2022. So meron po siyang recovery with support here. 941 po ang pinaka-support. Resistance, the higher resistance, nasa 1045. Okay po. And nagkaroon din po siya ng oversold levels here. So, in the coming days, kasi red po yung magagandang stocks natin, magba-bargain hunting po yan. Yung mga traders po natin and investors will go buying the stocks and there will be a recovery in the market. Yan po ang ating report sa stock market ika-30 ng Mayo. Ito po si Benji Chodoro nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay hanggang sa muli. Stay safe, God bless, and bye for now.